Yo, it's your boy Bug and I'm back again with another video. Sounding a little weird today, let me just
Yeah, yo, my bad. But today, we gonna be running with Leatherface. In my opinion, he the best killer, hands down, the fastest, hits the hardest. So just imagine what you can do with the right perks. I put 10 into Savagery, 8 into Blood Harvesting, and 15 into Endurance. Stay with me, I'm finna put you on. For the first perk, we gonna be running Rough Cut. Hitting a victim with a chainsaw causes 1 HP of extra damage per second for 7 seconds. It's just like serrated. Hysterical Strength, so when we run out of stamina, that big hit takes 20% more damage. And for the last perk, 7 extra points into Blood Harvesting, 124 max blood for Grandpa. Easy level ups. But here's my skill tree. Y'all wanna go ahead and follow the blueprint. If not, up to you. But I'm really trying to put y'all on game, for real. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into the video.
Bro, I'm glad I'm not one. This makes
Good meat.
Paul.
He talking shit, not me, man. Yeah, back punch like that fuse box hit. Yeah, a few motherfuckers don't use candy no more. I think I'm still lock this bitch up so they can't run in here. You need to go to the doctor. You just like my auntie. She be having migraines, headaches all the time.
I did go to the doctor too when I just get my food.
One-shot Leatherface. The one-shot Leatherface, dude.
Here's Johnny.
Come here, bro.
You gotta talk to 50 times, that's good.
Oh, I hit what?
Side of my work.
Come here, son. Just come here, son. You know
Thunder Bunny.
You know what GG. One-shot Leatherface, bro. You know it's GG. Give it up. From the ladder? The ladder door, the cold room door is still locked.
No, I'm talking about
Oh, okay. Let me go check real quick.
Man, I'm watching Fuse, Battery, and Pressure Gate. That's all. They all back here.
Yeah, the ladder door is open. There's somebody in the house. Let me know if they go back down the ladder. Should I come up? What a leader, man. Oh. Type of bot shit I'm on.
Really got same shit.
I'm patrolling all this, bud. You good over
Somebody in
here.
the house,
Only
Jay?
other place. Only other place they can get out is the front door. Everything else back here.
Yeah.
Bro, I wasn't even mixing you barging. It's crazy. Did he run in there?
I don't know. I'm just counting it down just in case. Yeah, just went back down the well. Or down the ladder, I mean. I just seen it.
I ain't gonna lie, he disappeared from my screen. I don't even know where he went. Can you feed him?
Yeah. Strike the music. Make my little brother strike to it.
Bro. Why does he just keep trying to come up here?
Where you at?
It's rude.
Don't even hit her. Don't even hit her. One shot, Leatherface. One shot.
Look at her legs. Oh, there go Leland too. He in there.
Where he at?
I'm gonna let you get him.
In the crib?
Now he's trying to go up the ladder.
Up ladder.
He was just right here. He's just trying right here.
Excuse me?
He hit me. I don't know how that works,
I don't know, but I wanted that. Oh, bro, brother, what? We're not gonna talk about it.
but... Ooh! She got her ass worked. Okay.
Pause.
Whoa.
I mean, her ass is some stuff.
So I'm gonna feel come out of this 40.
They're coming up the ladder.
Look at her. Right?
Come here, little bro. What's wrong with you?
You seen those videos where they do on 2K when they get dunked on, they fall.
I owe y'all one. I owe y'all one. Yeah, you did, nigga. Yeah, there you go. You're right. Nah, if it's not Connie, that means Connie either opened up this little door right here or the what's it called door. Oh, she opened the kitchen. We're gonna see that. Damn. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. I don't care about that shit down. I'm gonna fuck her back down. They're going up the ticket. Okay. Wow, I'm gonna like you somewhere.
I literally said
What's that? Oh,
I see
they
you.
both on the right side.
Oh, yeah.
And Anna right here.
Hit me, bitch.
They going back down?
Bro, why do I swing
Nah,
and
they
I
running.
still can't get that off?
Yeah, come here. That's alright, I'm not gonna fight you for real.
No, fight him.
Yeah,
Start fighting.
get
Start fighting. Start fighting.
Yeah, you know,
Start fighting. Start fighting. You
She
can't tell me this nigga shouldn't be dead, bro.
She come back to the ticket? No, she
You
ran
going in the back of
around.
the house. That nigga got to be low. Okay, got.
Come here.
Thank you.
What? Hold on.
He not dead?
No. He tried to latch it.
Where Anna go?
Look at it. Somebody well. Right. She had to, I guess. Damn. Let me see that. Hold on. I think she in the bushes over here.
Run for us?
Bro, what the fuck is the damn trail? Man, what the fuck?
No. Back behind the house.
This is crazy. I found the footprints and nothing to show up. Nah,
oh yeah, that should be kicking me out.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show them. Shut up, I love her boy. I'm not wondering what to score with him.
Yeah, I don't know that bitch.
Hey, nigga, watch out.
Why can't they have thunder on this map?
That's a good question. Thunder on this map would be hard though. You feed that nigga? Oh, she just she gave up. Oh.
Okay. Oh, excuse me, the press.
Hold up. Open this motherfucker door.
I was gonna say look at that here.
How did I not hit Anna, bro? Come on, dude. Good kill, nigga. Fuck. Look my life easy, nigga. Cause I was free with that nigga. Can I become this way though? Bro, this game is actually ass, man. Oh, hey, Julie. Where is in the basement? I was. Come on, which way you going? Where she go? Julie's side garden. She coming there. She coming towards the side garden right now. She's going to the exit. Where? So, she messing with under. I was fighting her. She messing with under. Okay. There's only one door open still. Somebody, cold room, Nylan, cold room, Nylan. Come, Connie's in here. And Anna, they all in here. They all in here. I'm coming. Oh, they want to fight. They in there. Anna's in there. Kai's in there. Hold on, let me make sure. No, I was gonna look at him. Come on. Yeah. Bro, what the heck? How can I not hit somebody standing still? I'm tired of this game, bro. Like, what the hell? Bro, I'm standing still. He's just standing there, actually. I didn't even kill Julie, bro. Julie's low as fuck. Oh! Bro, I'm done with Johnny after this game. I'm gonna be real. I'm done with Johnny after I up him. Get him a. This nigga pissed me off. There's no way I keep on missing with somebody standing, running right in front of me. You have to be fucking kidding me, bro. I was gonna say, bro, I know she's low, bro.
Oh, bitch! I just said the fuck out of Connie. I killed it.
Oh, where's the what's it
Oh,
called?
Maria's right here. Maria's right here going to Grandpa.
Come on, whisper. Whisper in his ear, bitch.
Sorry.
I hate niggas. I'm jumping out the window.
Jump out the window.
I ain't gonna lie, that was actually so unlucky.
I said I'm jumping out the window.
Where are you?
You know that too. I know, and I'm like, this nigga sucks.
Literally in the way.
Like, bro, I literally missed 50 fucking times with her just standing in front of me.
I ain't gonna lie. I'll be a pissed ass the way I'm barging these doors and she's right behind the door trying to latch it. Got 275.
I know he's gonna bleed out. I know you low. I know you low. Come here, get up. Just come here. I know.
What if our door's swinging? Ain't no doors to swing with anyway.
Get the fuck out the way, please.
He in the way. You gotta go all the way back there. It's one in the kitchen.
Is there?
Right, you so slow.
It's literally one. Where is it at?
I'm finna take that nigga to the,
It's over here.
generator.
Right here.
Bro, slow as shit. I was gonna go all the way to the fucking side garden.
No, don't kill my love.
No, that's not your love. Wrong girl.
Man.
No, that's my love right here.
Y'all look stupid as hell.